Today we are making pinecone syrup. In order to make this yourself, you first got to find a pine tree. Now search for the green little pine cones. These can only be found in June or July. Now gently pick about 500 grams of pine cones. When you get home, first grab your scissors to cut off the small pieces of stem that are still attached to the pine cones. Then you wash them with water. When they are clean, put them into a pan. And cover them with water until there's about a ½ inch of water above the pine cones. Now you have to bring it to a boil and wait at least 1 hour. Check it regularly. Wait until the water appears cloudy and has a green, brown, yellowish color to it. Then you can take it off the stove. Then close or cover your pan and wait overnight for about 12 to 15 hours. You can go to sleep or do something more important. Like Ewan. This night he saved us all from evil trolls. The next day you will remove the pine cones from the pan. You should have around 1 liter of the pinecone infused water. You want to add the same amount of sugar, so if it's 1 liter, you're gonna add 1 kilogram of sugar. Now you bring it to a boil and you wait for about 2 hours while frequently stirring. Just wait until it reaches your preferred consistency. Now take your pasteurized pots and put a metal spoon in them so that the glass won't burst when you pour in that hot syrup. You could even put some of your pine cones into these pots. It looks fun and it gives a little bit more flavor to it. Now leave the pots and wait till it's completely cooled down. After a while we discovered some watery liquid upon our syrup and we decided to drain it. Then we discovered that you could turn this into a really nice lemonade when you add some water and lemon. Now the syrup is ready. Store the syrup in a dark and cool place. I really like the taste of this syrup. It really reminds me of the forest. Thank you all for watching our pinecone syrup video. If you are planning to try this yourself, it would be cool if you would tell us in the comments. So, have a nice day and enjoy this recipe.